Today is a special day. We just received assembled PCBs from JLC PCB. So it's the first time that I ever tried to assemble something by them. And you know what? It's pretty good. The first question is, what is this that I ordered from them? This is my new business card. So this was my V1. There's a black card with some information on it. It's my work business card actually, which is also a PCB. But I wanted to have something a bit more personal with my own personal information instead of my work email and my work phone and everything. This is a gamepad. So 8x8 LEDs, up, down, left, right, A and B. A 2032 battery will come in here, power switch, and a STM32F0 will be soldered here. I wish this was black though, or white with black cell screen. They only offer green if you use their assembly service. So that's just what it is for now. It's only the first version, so I don't really care. This is more of a proof of concept that I can do it. So let's assemble it. Alright, let's do a quick power up test. A controlled power up just to be sure. So I want 3 volts at 100 milliamp. And let's plug it into the device. No shorts, power on, and we're good. Let's put the battery in. Good to go. Yup. 3 volts, so the MCU is powered. So now let's attempt to program it to the computer. Perfect. All right. Let's take out the programmer. So I'm using a ST-Link to program the device. Nothing too fancy. Yep, there you go. It works. After playing a bit with this, I also noticed that the D-pad is very small. By adjusting where the battery is, I can maybe make a bit more space for the D-pad. All the code and all the design will be open source also, so people can actually play with it and make their own business card if they want to. That's it for this project. If you enjoyed this, feel free to like this video. If you want to see more like this, don't hesitate to subscribe. I'm leaving you with some B-roll of this PCB, and I'll see you in the next one.